Hello everybody, hello the world's people. Me again, Kokovula, your traditional healer, your spiritualist, your shaman, with more and more teachings, this time around at the category love binding. Love spells and love binding. Udelunina is the title, or Delunina. Udelunina. It specifically means forgetting about one's mother. It may not refer only to the mother but the whole family. This is umuthi that is mainly used by women when they want to separate the men from their families. There are a lot of causes in this particular one. You may find that the family of a man does not accept the fact that their son is a grown-up and the person who now supposed to have the family of his own. They may want to hold him responsible for their own responsibilities until his woman or women see it necessary to use Udelunina so that the man will forsake the family and start to concentrate on the new family, which is her, the woman. Delunina can drive you away from family. We have seen some people losing contact with their families until they die at some faraway places with the doing of this Delunina. Some come home dumped by the people who have put Udelunina in them and are starting to rebuild the relationship with the family that they had dumped and abandoned. When Delunina gets out of hand, I know of one lady amongst my clients who put this Delunina to her man. And of course, the man parted ways with his family. As time went on, this woman who set the man with Udelunina started cheating. And this worried this man that one day he set a rope in the roof with the intention to kill himself. His intention was to kill himself after having killed this woman and their child. That did not happen because they tried to talk things out, and since a man was set with Delunina and some love charms, he had to understand that the woman will stop her cheating. Until one day that he was told by someone that the woman is at her home, the home of her parents, sleeping with another man. The man went straight to that place and started smashing the windows of the entire house. When he heard his woman and the other man contacting the police through their cell phones, he took off and hanged himself to death. The man loved his woman unconditionally. There was nothing on earth he would not do for her. But be that as it may, it was not natural love, but the works of Udelunina. When the man had died, the family of the man went somewhere to look for someone with the capabilities and powers of summoning the spirit of their son and command it to haunt the wife and be the cause of her death. The death rituals of a man. At the man's burial, a lot of magic was performed, with everyone asking the spirit of the deceased not to go alone, but to take with it the wives, for she had caused the man's death. The wife had gone to some inyanga and the prophets who helped her, partially not completing the whole process. The inyanga and the prophets that the woman went to gave her some umuthi and the holy water, and they told her not to go to the funeral, and she must not wake up with other people at the day of the funeral until people come back from the funeral, which was the sign that her man had been buried, or else he could go with her. Things were calm for almost a year, but then they took a turn for the worst and she encountered a series of problems until she consulted with Kokovula Kundabalori, a great traditional healer with expertise on such matters, who made all the problems disappear. Udelunina. Ladies must be warned of the dangers that this spell possesses when they do not take care of their husbands after casting the spell. After all, why would you want your husband not to cheat on you, whereas you, the wife, will cheat on him? What kind of cruelty is that? My name is Kokovula. I am an Inyanga Esangoma, a spiritual healer and a spiritualist. Please subscribe, share, make comments on these videos. The world needs them. I thank you.